Our next longlister daintily picks its way through the minefield of reinventing a local institution. Damien's come to look for it in a picturesque Yorkshire village.
There are certain buildings that just make a village. Pub, church, or the village school.
And this Grade 2 listed Victorian village school looks just as it should. Except hidden from public view. It's been reincarnated. Respectfully dressed in traditional stone, a long, low pavilion extension with a floating green roof has transformed the old school into a 21st century family home. The former schoolroom contains a double-height living room and a mezzanine bedroom. Behind it, there's a playroom and open-plan kitchen diner, with a bathroom and 2 further bedrooms above. It's the home of James, an architect, Gail, and their 3 young boys.
We're hugely invested in the village and the community.
This building definitely has a special place in people's hearts.
Hi.
Hey, James, Gail.
Hi.
Nice to meet you.
The first impression is it's beautifully discreet. It's so low-lying.
We wanted to make sure that it was almost invisible from the front.
I mean, almost invisible. It's completely invisible.
Yeah.
You look at the outside and you think, oh, that's gorgeous. You come back here, completely different character.
James and Gail had plenty of time to think about what was important to them. Before starting work, they spent 7 years in the house. The new kitchen doesn't just connect to the garden, but melds into it. The RIBA judges admired the wrap-around glazing and the clever use of structural steel, which allows the flat roof to rest lightly on a single slim pillar. Inside, all is calm, cool, and uncluttered, and very white.
I mean, this is so white.
The extension has given the family a playroom downstairs and a modest master bedroom housed in a timber-clad box above. A glass-roofed double-height atrium links the new part to the old schoolroom, whose exposed limestone walls James and Gail have echoed on the outside. They wanted it to look like a traditional Yorkshire dry stone wall, which meant 40 tons of hand-chipped limestone had to be pieced together by eye.
This carefully crafted addition deliberately stands apart from the old schoolhouse and allows it to shine in all of its 170-year-old glory. But when you cross that threshold from the old to the new, you're very much aware that you're entering a new, exciting chapter in the old school's story.